Well, good morning, everyone. Thanks for joining me today. Doing something a little different today. I've actually walked down to the little pond in the back of our house here. We used to own this 25-acre piece of land, but we sold it a few years ago because it was landlocked in behind our house and we really couldn't do much with it. Here's the traffic. So it's a beautiful little piece of forest. I guess it was an Acadian forest until it was clear cut. Well, there's the eastern sun coming up. It's 6 o'clock in the morning. So this little trail, as you can see, I think it was made by four-wheelers, that kind of thing. So this little trail is going to come out right up in behind our house. And the kitties are all outside having their breakfast right now. So they're going to be quite surprised to see me walking up out of the woods. Even though they saw me walk down, but... So it's going to be a beautiful day today, I think. Yesterday it was very hot and muggy. But today it doesn't feel like there's any humidity. So pretty. I can see on some of the trees there's a few little leaves changing color already. That happens around the end of August here because our temperatures change drastically. And everything turns yellow, orange, red. Oh, it's so pretty. Still very mild this morning. I think it's 18 degrees Celsius right now, which means this afternoon is going to be very hot. Here we go. So we have yellow birch and white birch trees back here. There's maple, spruce. I think there's several different firs. And all the beautiful ferns. And there's a tree called the Hackamattack. Pretty sky. I'll have to go up and see what the kitties are doing. They act so silly when I'm on the outside of their catio. I think it's anxiety or what is it? They can't reach us, they can't get to us, and they know it, so they get all whiny and funny. You'll see in a few minutes. Ooh. I had trouble getting my hiking boots on this morning because Bear always likes to grab my laces when I'm doing them up. And he'll sit there and play with them for as long as I'll let him. Here we go. So there's our house up in there. You'll see the patio soon. Hard to walk through the woods when you're not watching your feet. Here we go. I see Loki already. Whew. Catio. Hi, Loki. Hi, Loki. Oh, hi. Hi. What you doing? Hi, Bear. Hi. Oh, dear. Hi. Hi. Can we get you some grass? I always leave this patch of grass unmowed because it's so nice. Here's Luna too. Hi, Luna. Get some for Loki. Here. Hey, Loki. Here. Hi. There's everybody. Hi, Luna. And Beer. Hi, Beer. I think they're a little confused. Anyway, that's a little walk through the woods down to the pond. And we're working on our wood pile. We've got another new row on there. All those pallets will be full by, well, it takes about 6 weeks, slowly moving it. We're getting old, so we have to do it slower. We're finding every year we're doing it slower. So, yep, that's a wrap. That's Catio. Chat. Here's Mr. Loki. He's gonna get a haircut on Friday. A big haircut. Yeah, oh, there's Bear. Anyway, thanks so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed the little walk from the pond. And I'll see you tomorrow.